algorithm in algebra. To understand the meaning of the term division algorithm in algebra, let me take an example, very simple division, arithmetic division. The division is 7 by 2. Let us divide 7 by 2 and see what we get and what is the representation afterwards. When you divide 7 by 2, see that 2 3s are 6. Upon minus you get 1. This is known as quotient, this is known as remainder, and these two. And the division can be represented like this. 7 by 2 as 7 equals 2 into 3 plus 1. 2 into 3 is 6 plus 1 7. That is the representation of this division. There are 4 terms in this division. All the 4 terms are specified. This term is known as dividend. The symbolized as dn. This term is called as divisor, symbolized as ds. This is known as quotient, symbolized as q. This is known as remainder as r. This formula stands as a formula or known as division algorithm. This is known as division algorithm. Mathematical division. This is always a dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So this involves all of them numerical values, the numbers. It is known as arithmetic form of division algorithm. Now the same concept can be extended to algebraic equations or polynomials. When you rewrite this formula for the algebraic form, this dividend you can represent as px, this as gx, this as qx, this as rx. These are a polynomial, function of x, function of x, function of x equations, algebraic equations. This is a polynomial of higher degree, use that is divisor, polynomial of lower degree, polynomial. All of them are polynomial equations, algebraic equations of different degrees. This is the highest degree. So this is a general representation of division algorithm for algebra. This concept can understand or finds application in solving the problems like this. Let me take this problem, a typical example, a typical problem for this polynomials division algorithm. Let us read the problem. That is, on the problem is on dividing. This is a polynomial cubic equation, x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2. A polynomial by another polynomial gx that is not known. The quotient and the remainder obtained after dividing this by this were given as x minus 2 and minus 2x plus 4. These are again a polynomials of what is that? First degree polynomial, linear equations. This is a polynomial cubic equation. These are given, find gx they are asking. What is gx in this problem? So now you have to put this, the data, given data in the standard form. This is the standard form of division algorithm for algebraic equations. All of them are algebraic equations. They are polynomials, different polynomial equations. Let us put the data into this and see what we get and what we are supposed to do afterwards. This technique is very important. This is given px, the polynomial. This is called as a dividend here. Dividing by gx. It is a divisor. Px, gx is divisor into quotient x minus 2 plus remainder minus 2x plus 4. Given. Just I put the given data into the standard form. Now all the polynomials are known. Here this is known, this is known, this is not known. It can be calculated. First step is you have to solve this equation. These are polynomials. No, polynomials can be added or subtracted like this. Here plus is there, a polynomial, take it to left hand side and simplify. When you take this onto the left hand side, it becomes here. Minus becomes plus, plus becomes minus. Minus 2x plus becomes plus 2x. Plus 4 becomes minus 4. Equals remaining on the right hand side gx into x minus 2. Now this side, see that x and x same degree can be added. Constant can be added. This remains same. X plus 2x, 3x plus 2 minus 4 minus 2. Left hand side simplified. Right hand side we have now into the other factors. Multiplication is there. So write what is gx. It requires to send to left hand side, the other side. So it will go as a denominator because of into. It will go as a denominator of this. Now gx is dividing this polynomial by this polynomial, you get the polynomial. That is gx. What is the asking? Find gx. It requires division of algebraic equations. Now to follow the method of what is algebraic division. This is the method of algebraic division you are following. Since you are dividing this by this, says that you are dividing this by this. That is the way of presentation. You write the equation to be divided and the divisor over here. That is 1. Follow the method step by step by steps of division. You write all of these terms in the decreasing order of the exponent. This is also decreasing order of the exponents. Only x is there and x0. In the decreasing order, take the first step of this, first term of this and the first term of this. You are dividing this algebraic equation by this algebraic equation. Take the first term of this and first term of this. Divide them. See that what you get? X square. Write this x square as the first term of the resultant. After dividing it, the resultant now, first term of the dividend as the first term. Then follow the method. Multiply the first term with this equation, polynomial. X minus 2 into x square. You get this. Run x cube minus 2x square. Put this below this. This is an algebraic equation. Now it requires subtraction into the minus. Subtract this from this. Now x cube minus, remove the bracket now, minus x cube, cancel. X cube plus x cube minus x cube 0. This is plus, it becomes minus into minus plus. 3x square plus 2x square minus x square. Minus x square is 1. Plus x term is 0, constant is 0. Remains now, subtraction now. From here to here, it remains in 3x plus 3x minus 2. So now this term, this step has come over here. It requires further division. For this again now, you take this equation and this equation. Take the first term of this equation. Very first term of the equation minus x square. And very first term of the same here, this equation x. Divide these two. minus x. Follow the same procedure has been followed in the previous step. Minus x, this becomes second term of the resultant here. Plus of this minus x, it becomes minus x. Now do the same thing, multiply minus x with this x, that is x minus 2 equation. X minus 2 to minus x, we get this. That is, put over this, put over there, minus x square plus 2x. Now subtract this minus of this. Upon subtraction, we get no minus x square plus x square, cancel. 3x minus 2x, x minus 2 minus 2. Yeah, plus 3x is there, minus 2x, x minus 2 minus 2. X minus 2 we get this step. It requires further step, one more step of division. Take the, follow the same method, take the first term of this and first term of this. X by x is 1. This becomes the next term, plus of this, right, plus of this term. And multiply the term with the same, follow the same procedure. X minus 2 into 1, here x minus 2. X minus 2 minus again, this minus this. X minus 2 minus of x minus 2, 0. Yes. Remainder will get 0. Says that remainder 0. Now the division is over. Here we get after division now. When you divide this algebraic equation by this algebraic equation, you get this algebraic equation. What is dx? X square minus x plus 1. This is the answer. This is how we can find the algebraic function gx using this method of simplification. If you follow the method properly, then you get the answer. The answer is yes. That is what they asked in the problem. Find gx. Now, for this problem, we can see that how it can be, how the data can be represented in this equation, standard form of equation. This is a standard form of equation. Let us see what are these polynomials. The polynomial given, it is given. What you have found? This you have found. Look at this, write this. That is division algorithm of the algebra like this. Px is dividend. Gx, that is what we found, into Qx quotient plus remainder minus present. These are given and this we have found. This is the standard, that is division algorithm of the algebraic form. So if you follow the method, the technical method of solving the problem, we can able to solve the problems like this. This is how we can able to solve the problem. This type of problems usually, upon asking the examination, we follow the method properly. Remember the standard form of what is division algorithm for this type of problems we solve. Thank you.